Hey, this is Joe Gilder from Presonus. In this Studio 1 Minute, I'm going to assure you that your audio isn't broken. Let's assume you're recording a vocal. First thing, most important thing when you're recording anything is don't clip. Don't record it so loud that the clip light goes off. I like my meter to look like this. The volume is anywhere between halfway and 2/3 of the way up, and I've got headroom for when I want to talk loudly and it doesn't clip. Okay? So we record our vocal. Doodly-doo. Here's my vocal. And then what a lot of people do is they look at that and they say, oh no, it looks wrong. It looks like it's clipped. I must have messed something up. You haven't. Look in the bottom right corner of the arranger and just pull down this little tab here, which is the data zoom. Check it out. I'm not adjusting the volume. I'm literally just adjusting the zoom of the waveform. Your audio is fine. As always, use your ears more than you use your eyes and you'll be in good shape.